Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Stay down on the ground. Is anybody else with you? Get down on the ground right now.
Please.
Get down on the ground.
Sir.
Turn and face your car.
This is what happened when an ex-girlfriend allegedly showed up unannounced on Halloween night looking to fight the new girlfriend. On October 31st, Channahon, Illinois police were called after the confrontation turned physical. But instead of sticking around for officers, police say the suspect jumped into her Jeep and took off, leading them on a pursuit through the neighborhood. She allegedly sped more than 20 miles per hour over the limit and ignored multiple traffic controls before officers finally caught up with her after she ended up in a ditch.
After she heard all the commotion and stuff, like she came out. They were just talking to each other, like kind of going back and forth, like, and then like she did say, like, if you're feeling froggy, then leap. Like that's what I told her, and then immediately after that, like she actually tried to push her out the house, get her out the house, and she just kept on, like, they're both kind of going back at it. I tried to grab her up out of there, and get her back inside the house. Like, it's fine. Okay. You guys are gonna come soon. So.
Where's the ex-girlfriend live?
Circle.
Where's it at? What town?
Shorewood.
Channahon police locate the ex-girlfriend and pull her over.
Hey, put your hands out the window. Hey, put your hands out the window. Put your hands out the window. I'm asking you a question. Is your seatbelt on? Take your seatbelt off, put your hands out the window. Using your left hand, open the door and exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle.
Sir, I did not do anything. Can you please tell me what I have the right to
Exit the vehicle and we'll talk about it.
I have the right to know.
Hey, Andy. Hey,
Get
my stop 6 on the back. It's on the left side. Get out of the vehicle now.
I have the right to. What did I do, sir?
Get out.
Sir, what did I do?
Get out of the vehicle and I'll tell you.
No, I need to know. Please. I am
Andy.
pregnant, sir.
You want to just go up? Yep.
I am pregnant.
Keep your hands out of the car.
Sir?
Keep your hands out of the car. You just dragged me. She's going on Highland Drive.
The suspect lost control of her vehicle while attempting to flee from Channahon police, eventually veering off the road and coming to a stop in a ditch.
Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Stay down on the ground. Is anybody else with you? Get down on the ground right now.
Please.
Get down on the ground.
Sir.
Turn and face your car. Your hands behind your back. Who else is with you right now?
Nobody.
Turn around.
Sir, please.
Turn around and face away from me. You're going on the ground again.
Okay.
Do not turn towards me.
What did they say that I did? Because she beat me up.
Give me your fucking hand. No, give me your hand.
No.
You're going on the ground, right?
With injury.
Give me your hand.
1324, 1321, 1314, and Battalion 13.
Walk.
The intersection.
207, she's detained.
Detained 10 for 204.
Yeah, scratch. I might as well call it 95.
Do you have my phone, sir?
I don't know where it is. Go
Right, so
Sir, I need my phone.
Walk to my car.
Sir, I need my phone, please. Like,
I don't give a shit about your phone right now. Walk to your car.
I know you don't care, but can you please just...
No. Is everything in your pockets?
No, sir.
Sit in my car.
Okay.
10 for.
Two 207.
207.
Just 43. She fell on her stomach getting out of the car before I got up to her.
I noted it in the fire call.
Westbound 1510 Wendy Anderson's for a tow. It's going to be a pull out. Let's give it about 50 to 100 yards into the field. Secure 15.
Smoked an electrical box, everybody's deployed.
Where is she?
She's in my car.
You have cables.
Oh, I've touched those a few times. That's where the electrical box was. It's on the front of a car right now.
Okay.
No, it fell from up there in the driver's seat out when I was running up.
I didn't know you were hitting spikes.
Under her stomach. She didn't even attempt to turn. She just came right through here. Jesus. Yeah, she's freaking out.
Where's she?
1314 and 1324 en route.
We're not gonna question her or anything until ambulance checks her.
Okay.
And then once the ambulance checks her, we'll Mirandize her and shit.
I feel bad because
You should feel bad, but what's your question?
no, I do feel bad. No, because trust me, I know how this works, and I'm a dumbass, and I know that. And you guys got better things to be doing. Trust me, I know.
Well, you almost dragged me with your car, so there's that.
Yeah.
You could have just listened, like I said. If you would have
Yeah.
got out of the car, I
You're
would have
right.
told you what's going
Yeah.
on. So
You're
what's your
right.
question? Instead of just stating the obvious, what's your question? If you don't have a question, that's fine.
No, I do, but I don't want
Anderson.
to.
Yeah.
How long you been with the boyfriend?
Not even. It was like a year and a half.
Okay. You guys ever lived together?
No, never. I feel bad to ask this, but I do take care of my sister in the morning. Do you know, like, if this will be like 24 hours when I'll get out? Like,
Honestly, I don't know yet.
I understand.
I wasn't on scene at the house, so I don't know what is all going on over there right now.
What it's looking like is you're going to be cited with a couple things.
Okay, I understand.
You're not going to be going to jail tonight.
Okay, none of this is detainable.
No. But obviously a lot of things went wrong
I
here.
know, I did.
So.
I know.
Do you live there? Or have you ever lived there?
You just
And
said
I
no.
want to say, that was the I know. So trust me, I know, and I'm gonna remember that for the rest of my life.
You should. Didn't we just talk about this a couple days ago when you said you're driving to your grandma's house and then you were going through a bunch of shit?
You're the one.
Yeah, that was me. So you lied about that too then, huh?
What'd you say?
You said you're going to grandma's house that night.
No, she does live around here. She does live around here, and he lives around here too.
I understand.
She
You
lives
should.
like 2 blocks. I swear on my life, I can show.
You don't need to do that
I know,
because
I
I don't
know.
believe it, but it's okay.
What happened when he got here? Did you just not make the turn?
Huh?
How'd you end up in the trees? Did you just not make the turn, or it's going too fast to turn, or
I
what?
don't even want to. I know how stupid I am. Like,
Hey, you put a lot of people in danger by doing that. I
you're right.
was
You're
doing
right.
60 miles an hour behind you,
Yeah.
at least, and
Stupid.
we're in a
I
neighborhood,
know.
so.
Stupid as I know. You guys ever dealt with a situation like this? Like,
Not this exact situation, but yeah.
Alright, hospital's okay with you not going. Again, I advise you to at least go get checked out. If anything changes, make sure you see something there, okay? Is she able to initial at all?
Yeah, you can we'll uncuff her.
Yeah, if you want to hop out, we can
what'd you say?
hop out for a sec. I'll uncuff you until we get you signed here. Every single one. Every single one.
Alrighty, so you just have to initial in the 3 that I checked. I guess pretty much that you refuse to transport vitals, we advise you to get checked out, so refuse. Perfect, yep, that's it. Alrighty, you take care, okay? Have a safe night. Oh. Okay, that's fine. So sorry, I forgot that I asked for just your printed name right here. Not used to the paper part.
It's all good.
Just my tally doesn't want to work today. Perfect, thank you so much.
It's also like 2:30 in the morning, so.
I feel bad to ask this again, but whatever does happen, is there any way I could just get my ID and wallet. And
Once your
everything.
car gets off
Yeah, we'll
the
grab your
box,
stuff.
we can grab what you need.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do now is
Okay.
he's gonna put you back in the car.
1324 is getting the
We're gonna
refusal.
take you down and do the whole
1521 is
booking
returning.
process. Okay.
Team turned over, Channahon.
So Jeff, you're not going to-
Yeah, welcome
No,
to
I'm
this
just saying because like do you guys need my ID
No,
and stuff?
we
like
got that information.
Yeah, you can walk around the other side.
Will
of
I
the
get my
Yep. Yeah, we'll grab everything out of the car.
Walk around.
Yep. I got your. No, you're good. You grab a seatbelt, Jonathan.
Okay. Excuse my reach.
You're good.
Following the Halloween night incident, the suspect was charged with aggravated battery, fleeing or attempting to elude police, and resisting arrest. But her legal troubles didn't end there. The two people involved later obtained orders of protection against her, and just a few months later, she would find herself back in police custody after allegedly returning to the property and throwing raw eggs and salsa onto the driveway. She was eventually ordered detained while the cases remained pending. What do you think about how officers handled this entire encounter? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see more body cam footage like this, click the video on the screen now.